Hello, welcome to Lesson 9 of Mastering Java. Here we're going to learn how to find the length of a string. If you were using a more primitive programming language after you declared a string, if you want to know how many characters are in that string, you might have to write your own subroutine where you would literally go through every character of a string and kind of increment the loop and just figure out how many characters are there. That's a very, very useful thing to know, how many characters are in a string. For instance, if I'm reading a password in, because I have some security on my program or website or whatever I'm coding. I read a password, but maybe the maximum password length is only 10 characters. Well, I would like to know how many characters they actually type in, because then I would like to tell them, hey, your password's too long or your username is too long. You're always going to have limits like that in your program, and you need to be able to go and figure out what the user's actually typing in so that you'll know if you can, if you need to tell them, bounce it out and tell them to do something a little different. So anyway, let's show you how to figure out what the length of a string actually is. Let's create a string, and we'll just call this one, car1, and I'll just call this I have 2 Fords. Let's do it this way. This is a Ford, and string car2 is a Chevy, and string car3 is a Mitsubishi. And let's just do for the fourth string, I'll just call this str. I'll just put anything I want in here. I really love cars a great deal. No, I really don't have 3 cars. Okay, and I'll put a semicolon there. So what I have is